Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox and assemble this Cursor C70 treadmill. So make sure you watch it till the end and let me know what you feel about it. Thank you guys. Let's first I'm gonna remove these straps. Okay, so let's proceed. So guys, I use this knife, I removed the straps, and this is how it looks initially from outside. Okay, so we have things packed in thermocol. Wow, very thick thermocol looks like they have used. Wow, so much of garbage it's gonna generate. I think I'm gonna need the knife again to remove some more straps. Okay, I remove this side. Okay, there is another one here that also I have to remove. Okay, I remove this also. Oh, more strapping. It's like no, it's for provide support. So this is the running pad they have, and tools they have given. Looks like this should be easy fit, but let's see. Okay, instruction manual and tools required. They have given Allen wrench, oil also, power cable. Okay, I'm gonna need knife again. Yeah. Okay, removed. Front panel, security lever, and handrails. Looks like handrails are already attached here. See, so maybe I don't need to do a lot of effort, but I'll see. Okay, yeah, there also I have to remove. Okay, I removed that part also. Okay, now I'm gonna take off some from this side. I'm just gonna look for joints. Okay, yeah, it's not difficult. See, I was able to pull it right away. And then, can I take it off? Yeah. Looks like it's not a big deal. Wow. So simple it is. Amazing. Look like I may not require a lot of fitting. Oh, this is out also. Okay. This is out too. This is out too. I can make a cut here and take this out. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a cut here and take this out. Okay.
Alright guys,
so I
one
was
of the
easily
great
able to unpack. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the whole machine out. I'm gonna take the base out. Okay. I'm gonna pull it off. All right. And then I'm gonna remove these plastic covers, bubble covers you can say. So guys, just with my hands I was able to take the carton from backside. I just tilted it a bit and removed the other side. Wow. Now what I'm gonna do, as you can see, I'm removing these plastic. Okay, it won't take long, and then I'm gonna show you further guys. So guys, after removing the top plastic sheets, now I have this. Okay, display panel, safety lever, and speed and other control. Okay, now I'm gonna go through the manual and I'm gonna do some configuration. It doesn't look like complicated at all, at least till now, but I'll go for the rest of the steps. Looks like it could be very easy, but let's proceed. Okay, so next I'm gonna open this, and as per the steps, these M820 screws, they are gonna go here at the connection of this handrail, or what do you call stand tube. Yeah, stand tube. So we have holes here, so I'm gonna put over there. Okay, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So after M20 screws are installed, next we are gonna do M10, and for that they have provided Allen wrench. So this is where we are gonna do it. Okay, so yeah, it's, oh wow. So this will come from this side. As you can see, there is a hole here on the other rail too. There we are gonna install this, and they have provided Allen wrench too, so I'm gonna do that. So the next step is put this security at its right place. So technically it's ready now. I'm just gonna remove these things and I'm gonna run it, and then I'm gonna show you. So okay, I have plugged it with power, and it's there, like it has now got the power. Let me see what happens when I press a start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, belt has started, so technically it's working. So virtually guys, I have not done any assembly in this. It was so smooth that I can't even imagine. It was so simple and smooth. Now speed I can make up. Wow, speed button is here. Wow, wow, really nice, really nice. Now you may need to adjust the belt based on your running pattern. For that they have given the Allen wrench that you can use to adjust the belt based on your running pattern. It might be going left or right, so that's fine. That varies from person to person, but it's good. You can increase and decrease speed from here, stop and start from here. Like you can use the emergency stop start, and this emergency control is always there. Okay, I have some holders here. This is probably to hold phone and other things. Probably this should be deeper because yeah, I wish it could be deeper, but that's okay. Still we can hold it over here, and phone we can put even at this place also. Fine. So I'm stopping it for now guys. That's amazing. And virtually guys, there was no assembly required. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.